I wish I had some food for him.
Uh,
Come here, little chicken.
Yeah, he's here every night. He sits up there in those little boxes towards the end.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, does he like the music? Hey, little chicken. He's so cute. And do like, buck, 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 buck. Come here, chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Come here, chicken. Come here, little chicken. Hey, chicken. What are you chasing? Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck.
Bobby? Yes.
Oh, where'd you go, little chicken? Come here, little chicken. Come back out. Go to the car. Buck, 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 buck.
That was in January.
Where'd you go, little chicken?
Yeah, he does have family, and he was in charge of a lot of it this year.
yeah.
So you need to
Hey, chicken.
keep track of that next year.
Get it, chicken.
I think
Get them off.
3 days and 6 or 7 hours a day.
Come here, little chicken.
If you ask him, he could probably tell you when the next one's going to be.
Yeah. Once people from France on the bus, I guess, came.
Yeah, well, they originally told us
Trying to
these
forget your
people
chicken.
were going to be from England. And then about a half an hour before they got here, they switched and told us they were going to be French. But I think they knew how to.
Come here, little chicken. Get away from the road, little chicken.